Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can silence notifications from new voicemail on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then, from the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Sounds and Haptics. Next, go down and tap on New Voicemail. Then in here, tap on None. By selecting None, we are now turning off notification sound. So it's only silent the sound. It does not turn off notifications. You still be able to receive silent notifications from new voicemail. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.